If you've been wondering whether you should wind up receiving cold laser therapy or surgery, this is going to be the video that's going to help you out with that. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the obstacles from their lives so they can lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. Today I want to talk with you about one of the therapies that we've offered for patients, and it's called cold laser therapy. Now, we apply it for patients who have had chronic joint issues. We use it on our patients who have problems with vertigo, as well as our patients who have had migraines. It has been outstanding in knocking the edge off of all of these and getting people back to life. I'm here in one of our laser corners. We do them in corners because it's just a therapy where someone can be in their own space and we might need to move the laser around them. Now, the cold laser therapy winds up being non-invasive. It's really safe. The typical contraindications for it would wind up being if you have any abnormal growth of cell tissues. So whether that's a mass, a tumor, or anything like that, this isn't going to be ideal for you. The other thing winds up being if you're pregnant, this shouldn't go on a pregnant baby, and then it shouldn't go in your eyes. So in other words, this is a really safe therapy. This is a therapy that's non-invasive and that can be applied to just about any area of the body. Now, when we think about this, we might compare it to, or people think that surgery might be appropriate for it. So if we're talking about vertigo, none of the surgeries have really been shown to be very helpful for it. So this has got to be in your list of treatments to try before you go to any of those risky surgery. If you're looking at problems with chronic joint pain and you're wondering if a joint replacement, like a knee replacement is right, or a shoulder replacement, you've got to try cold laser therapy before that, or you may be barking up the wrong storm. If you're wondering if cold laser therapy is right for you, go ahead and write in the comments down below. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.